kids, I'm Mr. Jolly. Our first assignment today is tell each other what our names are. Well, I said already, I'm Mr. Jolly. So, red thing, come out here. Yeah. Hello.
I'm Foxy, the pirate fox, and I'm the best at running ever. Look how fast I can run. Good job, Foxy.
Take a seat again. Freddy. There. You said your name was Freddy, right? Yep, I'm Freddy. I'm another one of the animatronic family. Foxy's my best friend ever. Thanks, Freddy. You're welcome. You.
I'm Bonnie, the purple bunny.
I'm a boy if you're thinking I'm a girl. Well, I'm Kika's best friend. Kika, you're my best friend.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pizza.
Okay. Thank you, Bonnie. Kika. Pizza. That looks like Fox. Yo. I was in a brawl one day, and I'm Nightmare Foxy. I was in a brawl one day, and we keep on punching people, and then I went boom, and boom, and boom, and you know what happened? Then he scratched me right in my eye, right here. Yeah, and that's how I'm Nightmare Foxy.
I'm Toad, a sneaky
Prankster that likes to do everything sneaky. Watch this. What's up? Hello, Joseph.
Hello, I'm Joseph.
I'm like Kobe in basketball. Watch me. Kobe. They mistook me for Michael Jordan in 8th grade. That's how good I am. Here, and Junior is my best friend. Thank you, Joseph. You're welcome. Junior, your turn to announce yourself. Oh, Junior, it's your turn. I hate school. I hate it. I just hate it. This is my best friend. Thank you, bye. Luigi, how about you announce yourself? Okay, I think school is just prison. It's 8 hours of my life. It's prison. But then, when you get detention, that's another hour. No way I'm going to school. And Dad, I get put into detention? What do you think you're doing? I hate detention! Thank you.
I'm Pikachu.
Guess what, Mr. Jolly? I already know I hate you. Oh, gangsta. Pikachu,